So you might be wondering, how exactly do I use data-driven therapy and how is it going to benefit me? Well, the really neat thing about data-driven therapy is the more that you use it, the more useful it's going to be. So make sure that you log into data-driven therapy every single day and look at your historical data on your dashboard and see relevant patterns that the application is pointing out to you. And then every day, go to the Import Your Data tab and make sure to log your mental health data, and also import your wearable device data also on that page. And you'll receive messages when those processes have completed. Then you can go back to your daily dashboard and actually see exactly how that data is affecting the patterns in your mental health. And the really neat thing is, when we have a complete set of mental health and physical health data, then you'll actually be able to see the predictions component, which that's the charm of data-driven therapy, because that's when you really see the usefulness, as you'll get those forecasts of your mental health. So if you need to make any changes in order to avoid catastrophe, we're going to alert you of that.